My friend Eugenie had the best idea to turn Ferrero Rocher wrappers into earrings. Let's make them! So that's the wrapper. We had a few Ferrero Rocher for Christmas. Now I'm using coffee pods, so the coffee pods been emptied and cleaned a few times, washed, dried, and now I'm using a hammer to smash them, and to make them flat at the end I'm using a pasta machine. Drawing the shapes. Now I'm gonna cut the shapes and making sure as well that this is a bit smaller than the coffee pot so we can see the outside bit, which looks very nice. So this tape is a bit delicate to cut, but not too much. Now I'm using Mod Pod as a glue, so I'm gonna put some in the inside of the pod and the back of the wrapper. It has to be quite delicate as well, not too much, and then I'm gonna make it dry for 20 minutes. So I'm not gonna press too much on the inside, so it has to be quite delicate, and I will let it dry for 20 minutes. Then I'm putting the mud pod again, and I'm gonna do that 3 times, so there's gonna be 3 layers. Between each layers I will wait until it dries, so until it becomes completely clear. It takes pretty much half an hour. So here you see they're not dry, so I'll wait and then I'll do it again 2 times. And the last time I'm using the clear one mud pod dimensional, which gonna give a very nice finish, beautiful and shiny. I will let it dry as well for a day. Now it's all dry. I can glue the back, and I will wait as well for a day to make sure it's gonna hold on. And that's it. I just have to join the top part with the bottom part. So I'm using a nail to make the holes a bit larger, and the ring for the two parts I think they're 6 millimeters. So joining them together, the first one, and the second one, which is a bit harder, but it's worth it. They're almost done, and that's it. They absolutely look gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed watching my tutorial, and I was hoping my friend will like these earrings. but as you can see on this photo, she does, and she looks gorgeous. Thank you for watching.